Smoke a cigar while I sing. Go ahead, Mac.
It's going to be somebody different. We'll go without a cigar.
11,069.46.
In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they say. When the moon hits your eye like a...
Hello everyone, I'm Christopher from America and I live here in Napoli. I'm pleased to announce a very entertaining and interesting event. This event will occur at Napoli, is intended for foreigners of the city, and is intended to promote the Neapolitan language. We will perform a lesson on the Neapolitan language, translated into many languages, and then there will be music, crafts, exhibitions, and much more. The event will occur in the Maschio Angioino Castle, otherwise known as Castello Nuovo, from 7 to 8 June. Sign yourselves up for the Neapolitan language lessons. It will cost only €10, which we'll put into the hands of the Mayor of Napoli for the reconstruction of the City of Science, which is a local center for the study of sciences that burned down last March. Yamma bello!
When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.